We're live, baby. No startup screen. Elden Ring in the middle of the freaking day. We're doing Siofra River. I'm ready to run in. If you're watching the replay, and if you guys like what you see, please throw me a sub. We play Elden Ring here on YouTube and Twitch, although I do have a Twitch chat up, but I'm mainly looking at the YouTube. At some point, we might focus on the Twitch. I actually have more Twitch chat up today than I've ever had. So if you're out there too, man, drop me a follow. I appreciate it, man. What is up? I see Jay. You absolutely love to see it, folks. How you doing, Jay? I appreciate that comment, man. Moderator, friend. Man, we're having a get-together, a real-life chillers get-together in March. And I'm so excited about meeting so many of y'all. And I'm so sad at the ones that can't make it, man. I want you to know, Jay, how much I love you, brother. And how, like, every person that says, like, oh, man, I can't make it. I'm like, oh, I wanted to see them. I wanted to meet them. You know what I'm saying? Good news, I got a gig tonight playing guitar. So I figured I'd jump on now because we can't do the After Dark community. Cat is here. John Cairns, what's up, man? I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great, John Cairns. How you doing, my brother? Good to see you. Guys, we are in Siofra River. Grabbing the grace. You guys want to run through this or you want to kill stuff? This is the first, this is, in other words, this is not an NG+, is what I'm trying to say. I should have just said that, right? This is not an NG+, so like, you know, loot matters. You know what I'm saying? In this scenario, loot matters. So I guess we're probably going to be grabbing some of the loot available to us. Jeff Conley, what's up? No, Siofra Awards. Yeah, dude, we got the Siofra Awards today, man. We got the Siofra Awards. I'm really excited about playing guitar. I'm excited about playing guitar. I'm going to go live. I have decided I am going to go live from the gig tonight to the subs on Facebook, and that's a lot of you guys that are watching right now. My subs follow everywhere, folks. They're the best. They're the best. We started streaming on Facebook. We got the best community in the world, and we decided to get a presence here on YouTube, and that is coming along handsomely due to all of you. Appreciate it very much. Is there something back here? I could have got it later. I think we're gonna drop down and get that loot. Is it like just like a, what is it called? Whatever it is, it's probably not. Whoa, coughing, folks. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, Turbo. I just want the loot. I just want the loot. Oh, God, here we go. We get trapped, folks. We get trapped. Could be bad. Could be bad. Now, these guys are going to throw poopy balls at me, guys. Poopy balls. I remember the first time I came here, man. Because this is a rerun of my first playthrough ever, guys. My first playthrough ever. This thing right here, I'm like, what is that? And I remember finding Siofra River. I've told the story before, folks, but I remember finding Siofra River, man, on the map and going, what is that circle? And then I came here, and man, when I went down that freaking elevator, I was freaking so amazed. And I'm like, I literally said, this Siofra River is worth the price of the game. Just Siofra River. I mean, that's literally how I feel about this game. I should be able to just jump, right? Yeah, cool. That's mana pots. We don't need mana pots. We need to get our butt into the meat of the dungeon, folks. Can we jump up there? No. I guess we probably could if we were better parkour, right? I just got here, already died 13 times. Yeah, Jeff, man, it's rough, bro. It's rough. I'm doing a death counter on this because I have no idea how many times I die in a game. I am trying to keep the number down. It doesn't mean I'm you know, like not. It doesn't mean I'm afraid to take chances or anything. Get these. See those? I don't know what those little butterfly things. Silver firefly. Ooh, loot in the water, guys. Always check the waterfalls in the Souls games. I don't know Souls games, guys. It's my first Souls game. Everyone tells me you need to go back and play. Look at this, guys. I've done. This is my 20th time. No, 21st time doing this. I believe I've done Siofra River on every playthrough, and you would think I'd be able to make. This is the one I have to go up for, right? See? I remember, guys. I remember. Give me the loot. Good. Runes. I wonder if we got enough runes to make a level already, guys. We're at level 54, I think. Hey, man. Hey, V, how you doing? What's up, V? Welcome. Caleb, my free sub ran out. I guess I won't be watching you later, Charlie. Oh, man, I might have to sub for the perks. Yeah, man. I'll tell you, tomorrow is a subscriber-only stream, chess stream. It is a stream where we go over our lower-rated players' games, and we tell them specific things they're doing wrong. And it really does help people's ratings, man. So many people have improved from the. Ooh, isn't there a cookbook over here? Where's the cookbook? Isn't there? I thought there was a cookbook over here, guys. What am I tripping on? Why am I going this way? Did I already pick up the cookbook? I feel like there's a cookbook. I don't know what that... Ooh, dude, the crab wants me, folks. The crab wants me. Subscriber workshop, all levels of subs welcome. Yeah, the workshops are cool streams, man. I learned so much from the workshops, you guys. Spending time. Here's what I always say. You guys ready for this? You know where all the black belts are? They're teaching kids on Tuesday night. That's where they are. You know what I'm saying? And not to say y'all are kids, but a lot of you guys are, you know, the beginning of your chess career, right? And because of this, the black belts, they're reinforcing what they already know. And they're explaining it in different ways, and it reinforces what they know. You know what I'm saying? Teaching is a good thing. And I guess technically the workshops I am teaching, but we are more... I call it more like learning together. Wow, how did I not take damn on that? Can anyone explain that? How did I not take damn on that? Ooh. Yeah, that guy pops in, folks. He hops in and pops in. Okay, we got an iframe there. Oh my god, he runs. Okay, good. Little LOS for a millisecond. Not a millicent. Whoa! Whoa! A millisecond, guys. I wonder... What do they call that? Iteration? No? What's it called? When you say, like, I'm going to go see Millicent in a millisecond. What is that called, guys? There's a word, right? Isn't the chess streams on Facebook, though? Yes. Yeah. All the chess streams are on Facebook, and, of course, the subscriber workshops are on Facebook. Absolutely. Caleb says, I'm still trying to get my son's character past Market the Fell Omen. A strength build up close and personal is totally different than a mage distant. It is, man. It is. I have done melee playthroughs. And it's a different animal, bro. It's a different animal than... Oh my god, come on. Dude, what? He's gonna hit me again, guys. He wants me. This guy freaking wants me. Why don't you just get an arrow and shoot me? The blue balls were coming at me, folks. Always beware the blue balls. Oh my god. I'm just over here trying to get the loot. Oh my god. Dude, am I too weak for this area? Am I too weak for this area? After that, I gotta wonder. Is this a trap? I think it's a trap. Can I jump? I wanted the loot, but I gotta heal first. This is freaking dangerous, guys. Is he coming after me? I think he's sitting on my loot, man. Alliteration? I thought it was... Guys, I'm gonna die going for the loot. First off, you guys know me. One thing about me... Oh my god. Plenty of glove warts, guys. Oh, we got a gold pickle foulfoot. We can use that later to get more runes. This is a trick and a trap. We have to run up and do this. Do we kill the thing, guys? Do we kill the vendor? Oh, I tried to two-hand my weapon, guys, and it wouldn't let me. I think I have to kill him. Okay, we got lucky. We're out of health pots, guys. Is there another one up there? There is. Can I hit him from here? I've never even considered it. Maybe we can make him mad, and he'll come down. He's not. Wait. I hate. Don't you hate when you click something and it targets something else and your camera spins around? It's freaking rough, man. Drew, what's up, my brother? Rock sling him. I'm a little close to rock sling him. Ain't gonna lie. And I think I'm gonna run past this fool. Wow. We're all out of health pots. There is a grace over here, though, right? I don't know what loot that was we just missed. What we have to be careful of is... damn it! I was like, what we have to be careful of is fall damage. I'm going back to the grace, guys. No, let's see if we can make it to the next grace. Do we have a warming stone? I'm taking a page out of Trey's book. I never used warming stones, guys. I never used warming stones, and I don't have any. Okay. Do I have a bandage? No. I have plenty of mana pots. They should have something. Oh yeah, it's called a heal. I was gonna say they should have something where you convert Okay, that worked. Now if I don't fall, I should be okay. Rock sling, big damn in the butt. That was funny on that stream, huh? What was I doing? I did something. And the quote of the day ended up being "big damn in the butt" because I was doing some big damn. I think there's a grace at the vendor. Guys, I'm one hit, man. I don't want the death counter to go up, folks. This guy won't attack if I don't do anything, right? Don't hit him. You don't have enough health to support that theory. Let's see what this guy has. I have 300 runes. I actually have more if we need them. There's a cookbook here and a larval tier. Oh, dude, I need these cookbooks, bro. 7K though. That's like a freaking level, man. Oh my god.
Goodbye. Till next time.
Okay. If we ever need it that bad, we'll just come back. Run from the poopies because we are freaking... I feel like I had a cheese on something I would do here. Oh, I would trap the squid between that tree. I'll show you. I'll trap the squid right here, and he couldn't get through, and I'd stand here and cheese him. Not doing that right now, guys. I cannot afford to get hit. Oh, the blue balls are bad, guys. The blue balls are everywhere. Watch out for the blue balls. Don't want to get the blue balls, guys. That's a bad thing. I see where the grace is. The question is, can I get there without like an archer? Pick your poison. Crab or blue balls. You can either have crabs or blue balls, folks. I chose the crabs, and I made it past them. Oh, man. That was scary, guys. We made it. Drew says I need to record my runs with the band. Totally missed the amazing Invader Death Trey and I did. When you helped kite away the carrion knight, right, would be good content to post on Chiller. Sure, man. Caleb Boyd says, can't take NSAIDs, non-steroidal, anti-inflammatory, or Tylenol. Huh. To post a clip or whatever, right, Drew? The cheese warts. Caleb Admiral is my bestie. Okay, Cat, I'm stealing your lines, Jeff. Jeff is funny, man. How did you not die from that fall? Hashtag lucky. Big damn in the butt. That was funny. Okay, now that we're all healed up, I feel like I always forget one. There's one over here. And the worst enemy, it's actually not the worst enemy, but it's an annoying enemy. It's an annoyer, folks. Give me this. We'll go this way. Get me out of here, Wilma. Wilma! Did I not like this one because I was scared of the blue balls and the crabs? I could have got this one on the way back to be perfectly H. What do you do with the blue balls, folks? You iframe them. Whoa, that was a move, right, guys? We invulnerability framed them. Okay, I'm doing this, man. Hey, Greek! No chess. Not today, man. Not today. I have to move the Twitch chat up and the YouTube chat down because I'm used to seeing my normal chat right here. And that, yeah, now. Sorry to hear that, Caleb. Not cool at all. Okay, right. Okay. It's a move. LMAO at Cat. What'd Cat say? Jeff Cat said the cheese warts. Yeah, for sure. Cheese warts. He started that, I think, with Liza P. Is when you started the... Didn't you start that there, Jeff? Or is it... Does it go further back than that? I swear that was... I think that started around Liza P. No. Hogwarts. That's where it came from. It came from Hogwarts. It came from Hogwarts. And I think he started it with the actual term frogwarts. The rats see me, guys. The rats see me. The rats want me. I usually I take it from this direction, folks. And sometimes the archers will start shooting me. That's bad. The archers in this region, folks, if you don't know them, their arrows go a million freaking miles. They go a million miles, and like right now, they would be like, bam, and they'd hit me right here. And you can't dodge them. You can't dodge them. I think they've nerfed it. Why? I'm not going to loot that. Why do I remember the archers, like me having to kill the archers, and now they don't shoot me? And I think I get that, and I think I always run around here looking for more loot, and there's never any loot. Just... Hey, guys, melted mushroom. Caleb, how's Elden Ring on Steam? Oh, did you get Elden Ring, man? Did Caleb say he got it? Frogwarts. Yeah, he that. It came from Hogwarts, man. We played that one. I never finished it. Two great games I never finished were Hogwarts and Liza P. Well, I mean, Baldur's Gate. I didn't finish a lot of those games. I very often will stream them for you guys because I love you and you guys are interested in certain games. That I should have killed the archer. He's gonna whack me, bro. LOS. Like I told you. I told you he wants me. Now I think I might be out of range. Oh, guys, there's a tier over here. You waiting to see if they'll sell ER DLC together. You could do that, but here's a problem. If you knew the DLC was coming out in 2 weeks, I would say wait. Dude, you know what I'm saying? You could end up waiting forever, and you could be playing Elden Ring right now and enjoying it, and kind of preparing for the DLC and just kind of getting into the game, you know? I swear I came here before, and I'm like, nope, nothing here because it was so dark. I don't have a lantern, do I? A rune arc. I'll take a rune arc. And this looks like it's an entrance to something, but it's not. That's not a fake invisible wall. Do you plan on going back to Hogwarts? Caleb, no. I went to Frogwarts. It went Frogwarts to Liza. P-warts to Hardcore WoW-warts, I think. Jeff's recalling the evolution of the Frogwarts. That's funny, man. We have to do the parkour, guys. We have to because, like I said, if this was NG+, you could just skip everything. But we can't because we need the runes. We need the loot. I forget what is over here. Now here's where Charlie gets off the horse. Charlie is okay on the horse. Charlie is not good on the horse. I will fall. Give me that loot. What? Stone sword key. Hey, dude, see that? We can use that to open up that door, guys. Right? Okay. All these messages here. Interesting. You do have it. Charlie, you've been playing Elden Ring. I was just going to get on Steam so I could play with you guys. Oh, I see what you're saying, Caleb. Oh, Caleb, you... Okay. When you were talking about getting Elden Ring on Steam, I thought you were talking about, yeah, didn't have the game. There's nothing here, folks. See the messages? I think that guy wants me. There's nothing over here either. Nope. Cool. Okay, guys. I think we have... Well, might as well grab the Dukist Herba. It looks rare, folks. It looks rare. Okay, now we gotta light this one, and then we're gonna realize that we forgot to light one. The big rat wants me, folks. He almost knocked me off the world, guys. I knew they were coming down. I knew they were coming down. The big rat even came down. The big rat came down for me, folks. I hate when the big rat comes down. Okay. Don't let the rat go down on me. Man. I have ideas to, like, bring my Les Paul to my gig tonight. My second guitar. And, I just love playing my Telecaster. I just love playing my main guitar so much. Like, I have friends who'll be like, "Hey, play my guitar." I'm like, "Thank you." And I'll try it out sometimes, but usually I'm like, I want to play my guitar. I love playing my guitar. I thought there was one over here. There's not one over there. I know this one. I know the trick to this one, guys. You just gotta run up and grab it. This gives them time to run up on me. I'm like, don't go near the edge. Come on! Okay, we lit them all, and it wouldn't let me get on my horse. Oh my god, the archers, guys. The archers are nasty. LOS to archers. I should probably drink. We can rest before we do, because it said we completed the mission, guys. Do we do this now? Because we're going to go rest anyway. What is up here? I've done it, like, once. And I think there's, like... I come up here and I grab loot. And then I realize there's more parkour that maybe Charlie Sardo Gaming is probably not capable of doing. Because I'm not really licensed to ride a horse like this. Looking. Is there a drop down, guys? Is there a drop down? Whoa! Stone sword key. I love that. There's no drop down here, guys. There's a drop down over here. Oh, my ankle feels better, says today, says Jeff. Yesterday was rough after the scraping thing. Oh, man. Well, I'm glad that you're getting a little bit of relief, man. Pain, guys. I feel so bad for people in pain, man. Because I am not in pain right now, and I'm very thankful for it. I've had a lot of friends on stream and off stream that have been going through some freaking pain, physical pain, man. And I'm like, screw that. I'm so sorry. You guys got to deal with that. There might be something over there. I feel like there might be something over here. A little secret looty tooty, fresh and fruity. Okay, let's jump across and be sure we didn't miss anything. Wait for it. Yeah, nothing. Okay, I think there's a drop down here. There is. And, ooh, there's loot over there. There's no bad guys. Is there any loot, guys? Exhaust all dialogue, okay? I literally almost fell off. That would have been stupid. And that ain't thrown for content. Hopefully you're healing upwards. Yeah. Howdy, chillers. Hey, Kevin Cook, how you doing, brother? Welcome to the stream. I think Doctor wants to scrape my wound again this coming Thursday again, and I'm so excited, Jeff. No. Okay. This. Like this. Wait, don't fall too far, because I think there's loot up here, right, guys? There's no loot here. This is just a spot where you go for poops and giggles. It's a poops and giggles spot, folks. It's a family-oriented show, folks. That's why we say poops and giggles. When it comes to spending more money, double dipping, being I already have and been playing Elden Ring, just being a procrastinator with buying it again. Yeah, man. Whoa. Yeah, I could see wanting to jump into some of the streams because when we get them invasions going, woo! It's freaking hilarious, man. It's so much fun. Guys, that's the first time at like 20 playthroughs that I've ever lit all 6 and not been like, wait, where's the last one? Okay, the first time it was Tom Proctor, guys. After Dark on Facebook. Tom Proctor. He gives me on the very first playthrough with the astrologer. He gives me a challenge for 20 bucks. It was 20 bucks in stars. And I'd never seen, well, okay, I ain't gonna lie. I had no idea what was behind this fog wall. Once I went in, I saw the poopy deer. The electrified poopy deer. And I say poopy because he shoots a blue poopy out of his mouth. And I was like, oh, I've seen this boss. I've seen this boss. I saw it like in a YouTube video where someone got here first before me. Wow, like that never happens, right? And so he gave me a challenge. He said, if you beat this thing on the first try, I'll send you 20 bucks in stars. I'm like, you got it. I go in there, and here's what happened, guys, because I was still new to the game. On the last hit, on the very last rock sling, he had no health. He was very low on health. I hit him. His health dropped so low where I can't even tell he's not dead because he looked dead. And I staggered him. And so he dropped. And I'm like, did it, man. I did it. I did it on the first attempt. I was so proud of myself. Then the thing gets back up. And I'm like, oh, whoa, whoa. And I think I shoot a rock sling at it. And like everything misses. And the thing kills me. I swear to God. I swear to God. It was hilarious, man. I remember it like it was yesterday, guys. How long has it been? Is it Elden Ring was Game of the Year 2022, right? Okay, we got to get the rock sling up, folks. We still don't have any caster physics and really any reasonable trinkets. So I'm using raises maximum FP and greatly raises attributes, but also increases damage taken. It's all I got. Look, I got this Morning Star +3 up, folks. Let's go ahead and remove that. We don't need it. We can remove arrows because we're not using them. We can remove the ballista bolts because we're not using it. I am wearing the astrologer clothes, folks. The goal, if you choose to accept it, the goal is to finish the game. I can use summons, but to finish the game with the astrologer clothes and the astrologer staff, the meteorite staff, no upgrade. I can if I want to. Isn't there loot over here? Do we have a? We do. Good, good, good. No, I'm thinking of a different fog wall. There's a different fog wall. It's a Nocron or something? Oh, maybe a Stealth fog wall? I was thinking about a Stealth fog wall, guys. I think they've heard about them, but not sure what they are. Okay, oh, I've been doing some crap with my conditioning. We're here to know what a bone marrow test is, okay? When it comes, okay, got you. I think I'm caught up with chat, folks. If you are new to the stream, you like what you see, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. Throw me a sub, throw me a follow. Checking out the Twitch chat. Not a million. We don't have a million people. We got one viewer, guys. I think it's Greek. Greek, I love you, my brother. Come play chess with me soon, man. Me and Greek used to play a lot more chess than we do these days. Okay, and I am going to summon the doggies because I can. They're my doggies. I want jellyfish instead, folks. You know why? Because jellyfish Wow, I got hit by the poopy. Jellyfish is actually doing his job. Get all 3 of these. Look at that, guys. Look at the stag and 50%. Poison him, Jelly. He's going to do poopy again. I can use some help, Jellyfish. I forgot that was a double. Do not let him kill me. He was nice, guys. He was nice. Jelly, I want you to take aggro so I can get the 3-shot stagger. I said take aggro, Jellyfish. I didn't say freaking like 1 shot. I wanted to stagger. I need 3 shots, Jelly, to stagger. Come at me. Oh my god, he missed the whole thing. Get him! Okay. Now, just to be sure, I'm shooting the body, folks. Ancestral Follower Ashes. Is that a good one? Never used it. I should take, like, an ash like Ancestral Follower Ashes and take it all the way to the end. Just for fun. Just for the meme. I mean, I don't know. That's such a stupid meme, right? Okay.